Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Interview Hack series by Python Academy. In this video, we are going to see a question that has been asked by Amazon in its coding interview. So the question is to find the first non-repeating character in a given string. So let's see some example first. So this is our first example. Our string is A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we have to find the first non-repeating character. So here as you can see there is not a single character that is repeating, but we have to find the first one that is not repeating. The first one is A. So we have found the first non-repeating character and we will get the answer as A. So now this is our second string, that is AABBCC. So here you can see there are multiple characters and all of them are repeating. So we have to find the first non-repeating character. So A is repeating, B is repeating and C is repeating, means all the characters are repeating. There is not one character that is not repeating. So we will get the answer as none. Now let's see how to write a code using Python. So here I am defining function named first non-repeating character and passing string str1. Counts equals to empty dictionary. So in this dictionary we will get pair of key and values. Key will be the character and value will be the number of time that character is repeating. Here we are getting the length of the string and we are storing this in s underscore length variable. For C in range of s underscore length. So now we will iterate this loop. Key equals to, we are assigning str1 of C. If key not in counts, means if the key we are getting is not present in counts, then counts of key equals to 1. If the key is already present in the counts, then we will increment that by 1. So that's why else counts of key incremented by 1. Now we are taking another loop for key value in counts.items. So we want key and value from this counts. So if value equals to 1, then print first non-repeating character is key. So now we are checking the value is 1 of the key. If we get the value equals to 1, we will print that character and I'm breaking that here only because we want only one character, that's why we are breaking after we get the first character. If I don't write the break, we will get all the non-repeating characters here. Else print none, means if there is not a single character that is not repeating, then we will print as none. So let's run this program. So let's see how our counts will look. So this is our string interview hacks, and now when we will run this, you will get this dictionary. I is repeating 7 times, N is repeating 3 times, T is repeating 1 time, E 5, and so on. So here are 3 letters that are repeating only 1 time, that are T, R and V. But as we want only first non-repeating character, we are getting answer. The first non-repeating character is T. So suppose if I don't write break here, I will get the answer as non-repeating character T, R, V and H. Okay. So now we will write the break here because we only want the first non-repeating character. So now we will see the another string, that is Python Academy, and in this string all the characters are repeating. So when I run this, I will get the answer as null because all the characters in this string are repeating. You can see here in this dictionary, P is repeating, Y is repeating, T is repeating, and all the characters in the string are repeating. So that's how you get the first non-repeating character using Python. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.